Yo. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. You guys can see, we are gonna go ahead and start working on this car. We got a couple things coming for the Civic, especially extended studs, wheel bearings, front and rear brakes, plus the pads, plus rotors. So pretty much everything that I got going on. Plus I got the ABS sensor. And this car is still stock. So you guys saw last video. I'm here at my boy's Texas shop. So you guys can see his VRC. Still a piece of shit, as you can see. So pretty much that's what's going on. All the parts are there, the back seat, and then we should be able to get going. So some of you guys know I look super. These nerves hit. Some of you guys know that I've been haven't uploaded anything. We're currently waiting so we can move this car that's in front of me, so we can go ahead and start on the Civic. Most likely I'll time lapse everything. I'll show you guys a couple updates of what's going on. So far, the Civic is getting the maintenance that it needs. It gets better. Other than that, that's just pretty much it, man. We are at Cadillac, Miami. So, my boy Dexy. I'll show you some B-roll of this car. Pretty much it for now. I'm just gonna fix this shit, and then we should be able to get the car rolling. So yeah. You guys see, we are currently starting working on the car. Me and Tex here working on this shit together. We're gonna go ahead and take the hubs, take everything off. So we're gonna now tackle everything. We got the hubs with the link, brand new. And we're gonna go, we got about 3 hours. So this is about to get done. Put you guys on a quick time lapse so we can get this going. So we got this out, replacing it with this. So we're putting a brand new hub, link, ceramic brakes, and of course, real slotted rotors. All right, get back to it. Monteki, please sponsor me, bro. These right here, I ran in my IS300, my black IS, my blue IS300, my blue IS350. I ran this on my Accord. I cannot stress this enough. These right here would never go bad on you. I promise you. Monteki, the best fucking lug nuts I ever melt. Back to the video. So we did the rears. The rears have studs, brand new hub, brand new brakes, brand new rotors, brand new links. I gotta switch tires. Tomorrow we're gonna knock off the fronts. We got brand new lug nuts as well, Moteki, like always, but look at that. It didn't even do that before. Kind of give you guys like a before and after, how everything is. So it's already getting late, it's about to be midnight, and we're still here. It took us a little bit longer because we had to take off the hub. And there's a couple things that I found on this car that I'm not pretty happy about, and I'm gonna be 100% with you guys. Like I said before, I kind of bought this out of impulsive. Yeah, this car is kind of it's on a mission, so let's see where it goes with this car. Hopefully stick around and everything happens for a reason, right? So far, brand new rear bearings, rear wheel bearings, brakes, rotors. Look at that. Look how that looks. Pretty good, pretty nice. Gonna get done tomorrow. Also got brakes, rotors, and calipers. I gotta clean that up and extend the studs tomorrow, which they're all here, all of the system, you know. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna cut it short. It's gonna be probably like a 2-part video. Definitely gonna show you guys tomorrow. See, hopefully we're able to knock off some of the parts that I need for this car. Hopefully this car, if I do end up keeping it, which is, I'm kind of in a fence. I'm kind of like in between keeping it and letting it go, but we'll see. It's all up to Jeffrey. If Jeffrey tells me that I'm switching everything, I'm going full FT2. So I'm literally, all the parts is ordered, everything is ordered. The only thing else I'm missing is headlights. I already got the brackets. I'm missing the front bumper. The front bumper is not available at this moment, so I'm just gonna order that separately. So I already have the rear bumper, the trunk, the fenders, everything else is ordered. So in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and get going. It's already late, so yeah, hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next video. Peace.